Hey guys, today let's learn how to fix iOS 17 unable to install update. So if you guys want to go ahead and install the iOS 17 softwares on your device, but you're experiencing some issues that you cannot necessarily do this, well, in this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys how to do this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so what we need to do first in order for us to accomplish this is to go ahead and basically proceed with making sure that our device is compatible of, well, downloading the iOS 17 softwares. Now, the iOS 17 softwares is basically only compatible to selected devices, and not all Apple devices will have the option to download this new software. So if you are, rather based on Apple, if you are using the iPhone X and below, so if you are using iPhone 8, 7, 6, and iPhone SE, these iPhones are not going to be enabled for you to download the new iOS 17 software. So the most that we can do to solve this issue is to upgrade to a newer iPhone. So the iPhone 11 and above are those compatible devices that are allowed to basically download the iOS 17 softwares. But if you are using a compatible device, what we can do to solve this issue is to make sure that our battery percentage is high. So go ahead and charge your device and try updating your device once more, and make sure that you have stable internet connection with your Wi-Fi. And you could also try again and try the process of updating your iOS softwares one more time. And that's basically it for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care.